Okay, here's a quick tutorial on how to update the information on the homepage of the Faith Mix magazine site. Particularly this area we see in the main part of the screen now, the rotating big flash area on the front homepage. Okay, there's some information that we have to put into the back end of the website to get this to work. Basically, there is a information about where to locate these pictures to show in this slide. And along with that is this little blurb of text that shows with each different slide. Okay, see how that changes from slide to slide. And the third thing is the actual image title, which you see when I mouse over these numbers. It says image 1, image 2, image 3. That is information we put in the background. It's kind of important that we have that set correctly, like to the title, whatever we want to give a title to the picture, because that is the information that's read to people who are visually impaired when they view the website. Their software will just read to them what's on the website, so they can get something out of the website as well, even though they can't see the pictures. The last thing is you'll notice as I put my cursor over this picture, my hand turns, or the cursor turns into a hand. That means when I click on the picture, it's going to take them to a web page. It can be a web page off the website or in the website, and of course we'll try to keep it in the website because we don't want to take viewers away from our website. But when they click this actual picture, it'll take them to an article. Okay, so I'm going to jump to the back end now and show you how we control all this. I've already got my administration control panel open in the back. So from there, I'll go to extensions. And we're gonna be working with the module. A good way to remember the website we use has two main things that we work with a lot. One are articles, and the other thing is modules. Articles pretty much are just that, the text and information that the database will show on the website as we tell it to do it. The other thing are the fancy, all the bells and whistles. This functioning flash thing here, these videos being shown here, this press release thing is another type of module. So this special thing from CBN is a module. So basically the modules are pieces of programming that do special things and give us special presentations to show on the website. Okay, so if it's not an article and you're looking how to edit something on the website, it can probably be found in the modules. Okay, so anyway, extensions, module manager. This is going to give us a list of all these little bells and whistles that we have on the website working for us. And the one we're interested in this case is the XML SWF Blaze slideshow. We'll click on that. That'll take us inside the settings. You'll see some same standard settings you see for articles over here on the left side, but you'll notice that I've got the title turned off because I don't want these words showing above my picture slider, okay, or my banner rotator. I do have it enabled, and I do have it assigned to the position where I want it to appear, okay. The other thing to remember is all this stuff on the right hand side is information that sets it to work like we've got it working. So you don't have to change any of this information. And matter of fact, if you did change some of it, it would probably make the website look broken, and we'd have to, you need to get a hold of me and let me edit it back for you. But what we want to be concerned with is assigning it pictures to show, and basically this is where we do it, where it says image sources. We just put a URL or a location of the picture in here. The first slide we would put on the first line here, and then when we get over here we hit enter, and then we would put either type in or paste in the information as to where the second picture is located and the third picture. Okay, and let me quickly jump. Well, no, we'll go ahead and cover that in a minute about how I get the pictures to these locations. Okay, basically we upload the pictures to a folder, and then we refer to those pictures right here is what's going on. Okay, I'll show you how to upload those pictures in just a moment, but you'll notice our first slide is here, Rockford's Place. Then we have Faith Mix Radio, and then we have the Nuggets of Faith picture. Okay, now we pre-sized these before we uploaded them so that they'll work correctly. Okay, then down here in the next section is the description that shows in the little black box at the bottom. I'll show you again what that looks like. The description that shows right here. Okay, that is controlled from this area here. You basically type in the description. When you get to the end of the description, you hit enter to get yourself a new line, and you type in the description for the second picture, and then you would click here and click enter, and you type in the description for the third picture. Okay, and then this right here, I'm going to change this to Rock Rockford Place, just as a sample. And this is the picture titles that it would read to, show when you mouse over the numbers or read to the people who's visually impaired. And then down here, if I want them to go somewhere when they click on that picture, I'll put the address of the page I want them to go to right here. Okay, and you get that, like if I wanted to use a certain area, I'm going to jump back to the home page here just real quickly. I'm going to show you how we'd use this. If I want them to go to the artist spotlight, for example, venue spotlight. Okay, I'm on the venue spotlight page here. All I got to do to get the right information is go to the top here, click in here, make sure it's all black selected like that, right click and hit copy. Now that's the information I need to put right here if I want to send that first picture, which is Rockford's Place, to that. So I'm going to right click and replace this by hitting paste. Okay, now it looks like 2 or 3 lines, but it's actually one line of information. It's just wrapped itself because it's in the small box. Okay, so we've changed some of this information. Let me quickly jump back to the top and hit apply. And again, I'm hitting apply because I may want to edit something else here in a minute, and this will leave me on the page. And as I go back to my website here and go to the home page, and we come down here where it's going to reload what we're looking at, we'll see now that we have the same information, but notice on number 1 now it says Rockford's Place. Okay, and if I want to go back to Rockford's Place and click that, I can click on this picture now, and it's going to take them to the URL that I pasted in there, which is the venue spotlight page. Okay, so that's how that works. Real quickly, I'll just show you how to get your pictures up on the website where you can use them. We'll leave this area here. I'll just click save. But I'm going to show you where it's getting its pictures from. Basically, you use the Media Manager on the website, which you just come to the left-hand side, choose Site and Media Manager. And this Media Manager can be used for everything, from putting up pictures for articles to banners that we're going to use and so on and so forth. In this case, we're using the homepage slider. So I've made a directory called homepage slider. If you click on that, it will load up inside there, and of course you can click on these pictures and see them. The pictures we're using on the front page. For example, the one we use for Rockford's Place. Now, if I for some reason have forgotten what my actual picture name is, I can right click and choose image info. It may be a different command in Internet Explorer because I'm using Firefox, but it'll have something similar to that, and you click on it and you'll have a window pop up. It may look like this, or it may look different, but it's going to give you some information. It shows you the size of the picture. So if you're going to create a picture to be used in this rotation area, create one that's 700 pixels by 800 or by 400 pixels high, 700 wide by 400 high, and then you can see the actual location of the picture right here. Okay, now all we need to tell it where to find it from the module that we were working in is just from the word images on over, and you can right click and copy that and then paste that back in, to get it to show there. Okay, as I close this, now if I've created another banner and I want to use here, I'll just simply go to the bottom where it says browse, click that, choose your picture off of your website, choose OK, and hit start upload. It'll go through the thing and it'll upload the new picture, and there it is. Now this is not the right size by any means or anything. I want to delete it. I just want to show you how to upload a file, a picture to the proper location. Okay, and that's all you need to know. It may not make sense the first time you watch the video, but just watch it back through again. I'm pretty sure it will. If you have any questions, please email me or give me a call. Thanks.